So this is how to withdraw money from Binance. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Binance account, then click on the wallet and then click on the withdraw option at the top. Once you click on it, now at this interface, it will give you options to choose your currency, and once you have selected your currency, now here you have to select the option through which you want to transfer. If you want to take a withdraw via network, you have to click on it, and then here you have to enter address, then click on the network and then click on the amount to add amount, and after that you have to click on the withdraw option at the bottom. Once you click on the withdrawal option, now you have successfully take a withdrawal from it. But if you want to withdraw via another method, you have to again select your currency and then select via email and phone number. Here you have to enter your email address. You can also take withdraw through your Binance ID or Pay ID or even through phone number. Once you have selected your preferred method, now here you have to enter all of your details. After that, you will be successfully able to withdraw money from Binance.